fist full of callous and a spine full of sand. We skin our deer and clean our guns, raise hell at night and we rise with the sun. Ain't no bloodline bred for fear. We make moonshine and shift that gear. Try to tame us, we'll break your fence. You can't kill roots this deep in the fan. 'Cause country blood don't break. We bend, we bruise, but we never fake. We grow out where the world can't take, and we howl louder every time they hate. You can cut us down, but we'll regrow like red dirt roses through the snow. We were born to stand, not bend or shake, 'cause country blood don't break. I got kinfolk working with split back hands and cousins cooking crawfish and contraband. We don't ask for much, but we'll take what's ours. We ain't press suits, we're porch light stars. We drive beat up trucks with busted frames, but we hold